Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is rasam, a soup of spices which helps in boosting your immunity. So let's get started. Here I have 3 large tomatoes and 1 lemon sized tamarind roughly chopped. And now I'm gonna pressure cook it. Add tomatoes and tamarind. Add 3 cups of water. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. It's done. Now we need to cool it down. So here I would like to give a small tip. When you don't have time to cool down, just take a wide bowl, pour some water and place the rasam water inside the bowl. It will cool completely within a couple of minutes. Next, in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of jeera, 1 tablespoon of pepper and fry it for a minute. Just dry roast it. And I'm gonna crush it. Don't make very fine powder, it is okay. Coarse powder is okay. And I'm also going to crush the garlic. Here I would like to add more garlic. And now I'm gonna squeeze the juice from the tomato and tamarind and take out the skin of tomato and tamarind. Next, in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add mustard seeds, crushed garlic, dry chilies, curry leaves and saute it well. Now I'm gonna add the water. Rasam water. Add salt to taste, crushed pepper and jeera powder and mix it well. Allow it to boil. So once it started to boil, give a mix. And now add fresh coriander. Yeah, here is our tasty and healthy soup is ready. So let's see the uses of it. The tangy flavor of rasam helps to clean out your respiratory tract, and other spices like jeera, pepper, turmeric keep the cold and cough away and helps in soothing your throat. It also helps in relieving constipation since it is packed with rich dietary fiber. It also helps in weight loss when you consume it as a hot soup. It removes all the toxins by making your body sweat, and it produces more urine and speed up the metabolism. Yeah, that's it. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Do share, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.